Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're refreshing your home's interior, tackling outdoor projects, or diving into detailed furniture work, a reliable paint sprayer can significantly enhance your painting experience. In 2025, paint sprayers have evolved to offer improved efficiency, precision, and user-friendly features, catering to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. In today's video, we're exploring the best paint sprayers of 2025, highlighting top models that deliver exceptional performance, versatility, and value. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect paint sprayer to bring your projects to life. Number 5. Graco TrueCoat 360. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a faster, easier, and more professional way to tackle home painting projects, the Graco TrueCoat 360 variable speed paint sprayer is a game changer. Designed for small to medium-sized jobs, this lightweight yet powerful sprayer delivers smooth, even coverage without the hassle of brushes and rollers. Effortless painting every time. Forget about the frustration of uneven strokes and roller marks. The TrueCoat 360 ensures a professional quality finish with no thinning required. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, cabinets, or fences, its stainless steel piston pump delivers high or low pressure, making it versatile enough for both paint and stain applications. Ultimate control at your fingertips. One of the best features of the sprayer is its variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the spray flow based on the project's size and material. Whether you're covering a large surface or adding fine details, you can work at your own pace for precise, customized results. Perfect for small to medium projects. Designed to handle projects up to 2 gallons in size, the TrueCoat 360 is ideal for touch-ups, furniture refinishing, accent walls, and more. Number 4. Graco Magnum X 19. When it comes to tackling large painting projects, the Graco Magnum X 19 cart paint sprayer stands out as a powerhouse designed for efficiency and precision. Whether you're working on rental properties, multi-story homes, or extensive interior jobs, this sprayer ensures a flawless finish with maximum convenience. Unmatched control and power. One of the standout features of the X 19 is its fully adjustable pressure control, allowing you to fine-tune paint flow to suit different project sizes. Plus, the Rack 4 switch tip ensures uninterrupted spraying. Simply reverse the tip when clogged and keep going. No more frustrating downtime. Efficiency at its best. Forget about thinning your paint. The X stainless steel piston pump delivers high-pressure performance, letting you spray unthinned coatings with ease. The InstaClean pump filter also reduces tip clogs, ensuring a smooth, consistent spray every time. Built for big jobs. Designed with flexibility in mind, the X 19 lets you spray directly from 1 or 5 gallon paint buckets, saving time on refills. Need to cover multi-story homes? No problem. This sprayer supports up to 150 feet of hose, giving you the reach you need for hard-to-access areas. Hassle-free cleanup. Nobody likes cleaning up after painting, but Graco makes it easy. The Power Flush adapter connects to a garden hose, making cleanup quick and effortless. Spend less time cleaning and more time finishing your project. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance paint sprayer that can handle large-scale jobs with minimal hassle, the Graco Magnum X 19 is a top-tier choice. With its powerful piston pump. Number 3. Wagner Control Pro 130. If you're tired of spending hours with a roller or dealing with the mess of traditional paint sprayers, the Wagner Control Pro 130 power tank is here to save the day. This high-efficiency airless sprayer delivers professional-level results with minimal effort, making it a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. Performance that speaks for itself. This airless paint sprayer applies coatings 3 times faster than a roller while significantly reducing overspray, up to 55% less than standard models. That means less wasted paint, smoother coverage, and an easier cleanup process. Whether you're tackling exterior house painting, deck staining, or interior walls, this sprayer gets the job done efficiently and evenly. Designed for convenience. The gravity-fed design allows for quick priming and cleaning, while the 1.5-gallon hopper eliminates the hassle of frequent refills. Plus, with a 25-foot hose, you get excellent mobility, making large projects more manageable without constant repositioning. Superior control and finish. Thanks to high-efficiency airless technology, the Wagner Control Pro 130 offers a softer spray that improves control and delivers a smooth, professional-looking finish. Even if you're new to paint sprayers, this model makes it easy to achieve flawless results without streaks or uneven coverage. For anyone serious about speeding up painting projects while maintaining a high-quality finish, the Wagner Control Pro 130 is a fantastic investment. Number 2. HomeRight Super Finish Max HVLP Paint Sprayer. If you're ready to take your painting projects to the next level, the HomeRight C800971 Super Finish Max HVLP Paint Sprayer is here to deliver flawless finishes with ease. Whether you're refinishing cabinets, transforming furniture, or tackling larger jobs like fences and decks, this sprayer packs the power, precision, and versatility every DIYer needs. Versatile and powerful, with 450 watts of spraying power, this sprayer effortlessly handles a wide variety of materials, from chalk paint and latex to stains, varnishes, and polyurethane. No need for thinning, just pour and spray. Adjustable for any project, switch between horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns for full control over your application. Plus, the flow control knob lets you adjust paint output, so you can go from detailed trim work to broad coverage with a simple twist. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a remodeling pro, the Graco Magnum 26280X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer is about to be your new best friend. With its powerful stainless steel build, fully adjustable pressure control, and flexible suction tube, this sprayer is designed to take your painting projects to the next level. Forget the frustration of uneven coats and hand-aching rollers. The Magnum X5 delivers a flawless finish with minimal effort. Whether you're working on walls, fences, decks, or entire houses, this sprayer handles both thick paints and stains with ease, thanks to its ability to spray unthin materials at any pressure. The adjustable pressure control lets you fine-tune the spray for a smooth, professional quality look every time. No more struggling with paint trays. The Magnum X5's flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets, making it perfect for both small touch-ups and larger 10-gallon projects. And with support for up to 75 feet of hose, reaching high ceilings, second stories, or those tricky exterior corners is a breeze, without sacrificing performance. This airless sprayer isn't just powerful, it's built for mobility and efficiency. Whether you're freshening up a single room or tackling multiple projects a year, the Graco Magnum X5 is a reliable, high-performance tool that delivers professional-grade results without the pro-level price tag.